In terms of visual appearance, all web pages are different. But if you view them from a different perspective, you might draw a different conclusion. From the perspective of page structure, most web pages are made of 3 parts: header, footer, and main body. In the header area, you will usually find a website logo and a navigation bar. Many websites will also put a search box here. If the website has a membership system, the header area will also contain a registration or login button. The footer area will usually include a copyright declaration. You will also find a list of miscellaneous links like contactors, about us, terms of use, privacy policies, etc. The main area is located between header and footer. Most of your web page's information will be displayed here. Many websites will also add a sidebar to the main body for better navigation. The main area can also be further divided into several mini templates. Repeatedly using the same mini template is another typical character of dynamic websites. Such a design can save us lots of work, because no matter how much information we need to present, we only need to develop one mini template. In terms of page function, most dynamic websites will have a registration and login page. Most e-commerce websites will have a shopping cart. In the following lessons, we will teach you how to duplicate mini templates and function pages used by well-known websites such as Facebook, Gmail, Amazon, etc. We believe once you can duplicate those web pages with ease, you will be able to realize something you have in mind.